Well, let's jump into our commodities market. As always, this Monday afternoon, well, gold is still doing pretty well at $4,380.40 for an ounce of gold. But silver is $63.88. There is all of this commodities are in green this Monday afternoon. Positive 52.10. Silver is 1.87 also in green, while copper is positive 5.95, selling for $541.85. Now, for platinum, is $1,781.650 for an ounce of platinum, positive 34.51, 1.99% percentage points change for platinum, 1.11 for copper, 2.59 for silver, and 1.20 for gold. For corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton, well, corn is flat, trading at $440.75, while wheat is $526. That's for a metric ton of any of these commodities. Now, cocoa is $6,279. I talked about this last week, and I doubt if the price of cocoa will hit $7,000 before the end of 2025. It was above $7,000 at mid-year, but we've seen that flip in that market coming the other way. But it's down today again 0.14%, negative 9.00. Wheat is also down 3.25, negative 0.61 percentage points. Cotton is $64.29, positive 0.46, and it is 0.72% in green. Well, to the global space now, Asian stocks tumbled today, weighed by Wall Street sell-off and fresh Chinese property worries as investors measure risk at the start of the week, loaded with big central bank decisions and, of course, economic data. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside of Japan shed 1.2%, led by drop as much as 2.7% in South Korean shares. That's it, Kospi here, one of the world's biggest performing markets this year, and we see that flip. S&P 500 E-minus feature rebounded by 0.3%. That's while the yields on the United States 10-year Treasury bond was last down 2.2 basis points at 4.17%, as investors awaited a string of economic data releases and a slew of decisions from central banks. In Japan, stocks gained some support after the BOJ's closely watched Tankan survey showed on Monday that big manufacturing business sentiment hit a 4-year high, suggesting that the economy was weathering the heat from higher United States tariff. Now, the topics was last up 0.2%, while the yen appreciated 0.6% to 154.95 against the United States dollar, nearing its strongest level in a week. Well, crude oil prices climbed today as supply disruptions linked to escalating United States and Venezuelan tensions outweighs oversupply worries and the impact of potential Russian-Ukraine peace deal. United States West Texas Intermediate crude sells for $57.60 with an upsurge of 0.28%. Brent crude futures sells for $61.30, also with an upsurge of 0.29%. For Bonnie Light, it sells for $78.62 with a decline for 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $61.28 per barrel with a downward margin of 0.95%. Well, today we